how I ever lived without your love. There will never be a future I could see where loving you would never be enough. You made my spirits fly through a cloudless sky. Love is waiting to be free. You put the world in my hands, set the wheels in motion. When you said you loved me, now I know the power and the glory, the strength of your love, lifting me up, taking my hand and leading me into the light, soaring high above on the wings of love, like a bird in flight. No future plans were laid, I lived from day to day, but now that's just a distant memory. I was praying to be